Hey everyone! Today, WOYOU is bringing you a review of the Fluminer L1 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 10.7 kilograms and gross weight about 12.3 kilograms. Fluminer L1 supports the Scrypt algorithm, allowing you to mine Litecoin, Dogecoin and BL cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 5.3 GH/s. Its power consumption is 1200 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. In the actual test, when the arithmetic power reaches 5.36 GH/s, the power consumption of the mining machine is about 1237 watts, and the noise is about 57 decibels. The temperature of the heat sink of the machine is about 54 degrees Celsius, and the surface temperature is about 42 degrees Celsius. How to set up the miner so that it works properly? You first need to make sure that both the miner and your computer are connected to the same LAN. Then, open the router's backend management page so that you can see the IP address of the miner in the router's device list. Enter the IP address you just obtained in your browser to enter the configuration interface of the miner. Fill in the mining address and miner name, click Save. How to get the mining address? Open the URL, register and log into your account. The coin choice is LTC. Scroll down to find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on the price and mining difficulty of Litecoin, Dogecoin and BL on February 19, 2025, the daily earnings of the Fluminer L1 5.3G miner is approximately $9.08. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. The Fluminer L1 is a silent miner designed for home and office environments, with a cool-looking mainframe, a metallic hardcore mechanical style chassis, and an external LCD display that shows the machine's arithmetic and IP address in real time. This miner focuses on Litecoin mining and has a power consumption ratio that is basically similar to that of the Antminer L9 among the silent miners for Litecoin, Dogecoin and Bellcoin, rated at 1200 watt. The built-in power supply and support for Wi-Fi connectivity ensures stable operation and excellent performance in energy efficiency control. Whether you are just starting out as a miner or need a quiet device, the Fluminer L1 provides a smooth and efficient mining experience, making it ideal for long-term use in homes and companies. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly. Buy miner to WOYOU. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of WOYOU.